Hi guys, and welcome to Ambiente Kitchen, and we're here today to bring you a little recipe from Spain. It's kind of an iconic breakfast dish that just really typifies what Spain is all about to us. It's our kind of go-to first thing in the morning. We're visiting, if we're visiting Jerez in particular, which is where we particularly associate this with. Really simple to make. It's pan con tomato, so basically tomatoes on toast. So to start with, you need your toast. Now, these really simple buns that you buy in 6 packs down at the supermarket, already cut in half, white, quite a soft batter, perfect for this. So you just bang those in your toaster. The only other ingredients you need to make it are 2 or 3 of these. Nice beef tomato or salad tomato, 1 clove of garlic, a little bit of ground black pepper, some sea salt, and that's your garlic already chopped. You see I've started some of this already, so garlic chopped up. I've chopped some of the tomatoes here, there's a couple in there. I'll just do one more, because you want to get rid of that bit out of the middle. So we take the nasty green down. Just quickly, that's the bit you don't want in the middle there, because it tends to get a bit stringy. So just take that out. Then just roughly chop it. Just really rough is fine. Using a bread knife if you have to, if you've nothing else to hand. Okay, so that goes in with the ones we've done already. Now, into that we add our crushed garlic. Okay, that's all in there. Oops. So your sea salt, decent pinch. Ground black pepper, not too much of that, should do. You can stick a bit of cumin in as well if you fancy a bit more of a spicy flavour. Balsamic vinegar, or if you want to be really authentic, cherry wine vinegar. We've only got balsamic here today, so you want a decent amount of that. A bit of extra virgin olive oil, should do. So that's it, tomatoes, garlic, salt, pepper, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, stick blender. Put the toaster on. You can actually make this in the time it sets the toaster dry. Not struggle today. Now this looks quite runny like this. Stick it in the fridge and it soon firms up. It gets kind of like a moussey texture. You want to get all the lumps out. How much water is in your tomatoes as well, but that looks pretty good. See that? It's quite loose, so don't worry about that, because once you toast them, let's get rid of my sea salt. You can also be waiting for your toast, you can be having a drink. Vino or Manzanilla go absolutely fantastically with this. Okay, not quite done yet, but we're going to go with it. So nice warm bread, spoon, dead simple. Stick this in the fridge. If you make it half an hour or so before you want it, it really does firm up. But it's really good like this as well. And there you have it, dead simple, pan con tomate. Really good. Cheers.